I was looking for a car charger for my car with support of quick charging and which comes with a cable at about 500 rupees. I found this boAt car charger with a cable which is based on Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 charging technology. I brought it from Amazon and here is a quick unboxing and review for people like me. It came on third day with decent packaging. This is one of the best car charger you find at this price range. Getting started with box, on the back side you get some information and specification of the product. At unboxing you get charger, charging cable and there is no user manual. The charger has glossy finish to it, which looks good but it might get easily scratched. Size of a charger is small and build quality is also good. It fits perfect in cigarette lighter socket and feels that it will last long. It is not going to unplug or lose contact on bumps or bad roads. It has a white LED which glows whenever the charger is getting current and goes off when it does not. Cable included is nicely braided and feels good quality. Connectors are stiff and fits perfect. It comes with the warranty of 2 years. It claims to charge compatible devices up to 4 times faster thanks to Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology. No worries if your phone does not support quick charge technology because it has smart IC which provides maximum current without damaging your phone.